BuzzFeed smashes records for trading volume on OpenAI frenzy. We are, of course, talking about the announcement that was made a few days ago that BuzzFeed would embrace ChatGPT-like tools from OpenAI in order to aid in the publication of its website. We're talking quizzes and, oh, dare I say, brainstorming and outlines. We're only going to be doing outlines, that's all. Don't get too worried or concerned. There's plenty of humans here still. You look around, I don't see any.
Yeah.
ChatGPT, there's no humans. There's plenty of humans. Where are you keeping them, ChatGPT? In the closet? Yeah. Is that where the humans are?
Yeah.
Oh, we value our humans and the human involvement in our publication, and everything we do is approved by the humans. Yeah, where are the humans? You see them in the back room with the tape over their mouths. They're like, yep, we approve.
There's poop everywhere.
So anyway, people, Wall Street and investors, they loved it. They're like, woo, BuzzFeed, AI, woo. Invest in that. That sounds like the future to me. Humans, who needs them? Oh, it looks like it went back down, though. It boosted up off OpenAI stuff, and then people were like, wait a second. We're all dead. No, maybe people were like, wait a second, is this even going to be that good? Like, those people went in and they started using ChatGPT, and it started melting down like it did for you.
This is the moment where someone said, wait a second.
Yeah, wait a second. But hey, we don't even know that all versions will be the same, right? Because there was the rumor that there's going to be like a paid version, and maybe that version is going to be more sophisticated.
Sure.
But anyway, they're going to have like an official partnership. It's not like you and I trying to get a title for a video and having a laugh. They want to have an official BuzzFeed. I mean, maybe we can have an official partnership. We're basically BuzzFeed. I mean, we're CNN. We're all these things. We're daily, brother. I don't know if you noticed.
I've noticed.
We're daily and we're human. I don't know if you noticed.
Yeah.
And we've got an S23 watch party going on right now. I don't know if you noticed.
Yeah. We're having fun, right?
Right? I don't know. Are we?